So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find saved videos on YouTube by using your mobile phone. So for that reason, I will go with the YouTube application itself. And suppose that I want to save this video, alright? So how we can save? It's very simple. Click on the three dots and I will go with the save to playlist option to save this video. Now I have only this playlist available in my mobile phone, so I will select that one and simply go with the done button to save it to the watch later playlist. Now how we can find the saved videos is very simple once again. So for that reason we will go with the profile icon on the bottom side and simply go with the playlist and tap on the view all. Now, as you can see, we have the watch later option, which is the playlist actually. So we will select this. And as you can see, we got our saved videos on YouTube while using the application onto the mobile phone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.